Today we'll move on to part 3 of present perfect sentences. In our previous chapters we studied how to make a present perfect sentence, how to make a negative, how to make questions, how to make short forms for conversational speech. Today we'll talk about some differences between present perfect sentences and past tense sentences. 今日は現在完了形の3番目の勉強をします。以前は現在完了形の作り方、否定の作り方、質問の作り方を勉強しました。今日は過去形の文章と現在完了形の文章の違いを勉強します。どの時に現在完了形を使えばいい、どの時に過去形を使えばいいんですね。その区別することを今日勉強します。So we'll take a look at some differences between simple past and present perfect today. When should we use a simple past sentence? When should we use a present perfect sentence? In English, if I use a present perfect sentence, so for example, I have eaten breakfast. I have eaten breakfast describes what has been done, what has been completed. I have eaten breakfast. There's no information about when this happened. We have no idea when this happened. Perhaps it doesn't matter, or perhaps we don't know. In any case, we don't have any information about that. All we know is that this has completed, this is done, is present perfect. So I've eaten breakfast. So you can say very quickly, very short, and you can describe something that is completed and no other information. We don't know anything else about it. When we use simple past tense, we need specifics. So if I make a simple past tense, I ate breakfast. In this case, when we use past tense, we use specific times with that. So I ate breakfast 2 hours ago. I ate breakfast this morning. So when we use simple past tense in English, there are some specifics in there, some specific times. When we use present perfect, there's no specific times. It could have happened anytime. When it happened, doesn't matter. Or we don't care, or we don't know. We just are saying this to describe that something is completed, something is finished. This is the difference between present perfect and past tense. So, 現在完了形と過去形の違いは、過去形を使うときは、特定の時間とかやった時の時間とかを教えなきゃいけないですね。So, I ate breakfast 2 hours ago. 2時間前に朝ごはんを食べました。I ate breakfast this morning. 今朝朝ごはんを食べました。So, その細かい特定の時間が入ってるんですね。When I use 現在完了形を使うときは I have eaten breakfast. それただできたこと。食事を完了しました。いつかどうかはわからない。大切じゃない。ただその完了が終わった。完了しました。のことを伝えている。So, in any case, when we're using present perfect, we're just describing the completion of something. We don't know any other details about it. We know it's completed only. With past tense, we want some specifics. We want to know specifically when or in the morning and things like that. So, 完了形を使うときは、特定細かい情報はない。ただ、完了しました。できました。 過去形を使うときは、2時間前、今朝を使うけど、完了形は使わないですね。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.